Hello! In this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant to be enabled on lock screen on the Realme Narzo N61. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and go to settings. Now click on Google Assistant, and here you have to go to Hey Google and Voice Match, and now click here to enable Hey Google. Then click on More and I agree, then click on More and I agree again, and now click Next. Then click on Retrain Voice Match Model. OK Google, what's the weather tomorrow? OK Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Then click Next, and now you can go back and click on lock screen. Then click Yes, I'm in, and make sure that this first option stays on. So now let's check if my Google Assistant will work on lock screen. OK Google. And as you can see, my Google Assistant now works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.